The MOZART project is an European Union-funded research initiative under Horizon Europe, developing innovative surface coating solutions for industrial components. A key objective of MOZART is to replace conventional hard chromium coatings with safer, high-performance alternatives that comply with the European REACH regulation. REACH is the European Union regulation on the registration, evaluation, authorization, and restriction of chemicals. Hexavalent chromium, widely used in hard chromium plating, is classified as a substance of very high concern due to its toxicity, environmental impact, and regulatory burden. MOZART directly addresses this challenge by developing REACH-compliant coating technologies for 3 industrial end products. The first MOZART end product focuses on gears used in mechanical systems. Traditional hard chromium plating is replaced by an improved, eco-consciously developed, nickel-graphene nanocomposite protective coating designed to deliver equal or superior performance while eliminating hexavalent chromium compounds. The gears under development include spur and helical gears manufactured from high-strength steel alloys. Approximately 25 to 30 gears of each type are produced, supported by extensive preliminary testing on more than 100 metallic samples. The coatings are evaluated through a comprehensive testing program, including structural and microstructural analysis, surface wettability tests for hydrophilic hydrophobic properties, surface roughness, mechanical testing such as hardness, tribological testing for wear resistance, chemical testing for corrosion resistance, and real gear operation tests under lubricated and dry conditions. All materials and processes are selected to avoid substances restricted under REACH, ensuring regulatory compliance while achieving performance comparable to or better than hard chrome. The second end product addresses stamping dies used to form high-strength steel sheets such as DP, TRIP, and TBF steels. Chrome-coated stamping dies present a major challenge. When even a small area is damaged, the entire die surface must be stripped and recoated, leading to high costs, long downtimes, and increased environmental impact. MOZART introduces a REACH-compliant alternative, a nickel-boron carbide nanocomposite coating. This innovative coating eliminates chromium-based substances and enables local repair of worn areas. The technology is validated on a real industrial stamping die, tested for at least 100 stamping cycles. The key innovation is the ability to locally recoat only damaged zones, significantly reducing chemical use, waste generation, and maintenance downtime. By avoiding substances of very high concern, the coating fully aligns with REACH requirements while improving tool lifetime and sustainability. The third MOZART end product is a chromium-free piston rod solution. Hard chromium plating on piston rods is known for its toxicity, environmental pollution, coating flaking, and increasing regulatory restrictions under REACH. MOZART replaces hard chromium with advanced coatings such as the nickel, silicon carbide nanocomposite electrolytic baths, using the newly developed boric acid-free nickel electrolyte. These alternatives are designed to maintain mechanical performance while reducing environmental impact and health risks. A pilot batch of 100 piston rods is produced to demonstrate scalability, industrial feasibility, and full REACH compliance. Across all 3 end products, gears, stamping dies, and piston rods, MOZART demonstrates that high-performance industrial coatings can be achieved without the use of hazardous chromium compounds. By aligning with REACH regulations, MOZART contributes to safer workplaces, reduced environmental impact, and a more sustainable European manufacturing industry. MOZART supports Europe's transition toward green, compliant, and competitive industrial technologies. This project has received funding from the European Union's Horizon Europe program. Thank you for watching.